Oh, probably would help if I wasn't on mute, huh? What up, family? Welcome back. You know I had to go take care of some business earlier, had to go drive around and whatnot, but I'm back for the rest of what we missed. I'm gonna start from that last break, right after lunch. Appreciate y'all being here, family. Run a little intro, then we gonna get into it.
Do you, sir, or should I say in 2021, did you, along with Ms. Parker, make money in prostitution?
No.
You fucked up. You know that, don't you?
What you mean?
You done fucked up. You know that, don't you, right?
No.
You see what I'm saying? I'm saying, you know that. You know you done fucked up, don't you?
I don't remember no. I don't remember no. I don't remember. I don't know. I don't know. All right.
Saying your entire career in the music business is now no longer.
Rapper's been under investigation by the LAPD for a shooting that happened here in Hollywood on November the 6th. The victim of that shooting told police that ASAP Rocky shot at him 3 to 4 times, believing that one of the bullets had grazed the victim's left hand.
The rapper, whose real name is Rakim Mayers, is being charged with 2 felony counts of assault with a semi-automatic firearm during an argument and fired twice. The victim suffered a grazed wound to his left hand.
33-year-old Rakim Mayers was charged in connection with a shooting that occurred in Hollywood last November. That's when an argument escalated, with Mayers allegedly firing a handgun at the victim, who had minor injuries.
That's why they made an arrest. And this morning, the scene, actually, the SWAT team was there. His street was closed. They used a battering ram to knock down his front gate.
Oh, I didn't realize that. They used a battering ram?
Yeah.
ASAP Innocent, what you say? What did they find in the vehicle?
I'm so sorry.
All right. Let's get into it, family. What up, Survivor Speaks? I see you. Appreciate you. Daniel Berry Sports Highlights. Laugh always, have fun. What's good? Appreciate you being here. Tech Clouds. What up, though? Always appreciate you, family.
Actually goes to line 13 earlier on. I guess I'm eventually go through.
Can you say the question back again, please?
Mr. Efron, at the preliminary hearing last November 2023, you were asked questions regarding whether you owned firearms. Do you recall that, being asked those questions?
And what was the answer?
I don't recall.
If that was the question and this is the answer, then that's fair game.
Are we talking about lines 9 and 10, Your Honor?
Yeah. Hold on, want me to go back up to line 5? That's some context. Let's do
Just because I don't think 9 and 10 have anything to do with that.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, that's true.
You want to go up to 5?
All right. What has nothing to do with the question is what is asked and answered on line 10 and lines 10, 11, and 12.
Okay, how about this? We'll go back to maybe Louise of 112, look 112, lines 11 through 13. Okay.
Much better.
Oh. Sorry, Stefan. November, what?
No. What was the last? You said 2 what line?
Okay. Okay, preliminary hearing back in November 2023. Question. Actually, Mr. Efron, let me clarify that. Did you ever possess a 9mm gun? Answer by you. I own a bunch of guns. So, I guess the question now again today is, do you own a 9mm?
I own a bunch of guns.
Right. Is one of those bunch of guns a 9mm?
Why is it so hard to say yes or no? Do you have a 9mm? It's not that hard of a question.
9mm?
It's just staccato. Yeah, I guess it's a 9mm. I don't really know too much about guns. I only got it because I moved to Florida.
Okay. And you posted a picture on your Instagram in December of 2022, before that hearing.
Your Honor, at this point the question would be irrelevant given that he's answered that he owns a firearm. I agree.
You can part about 9mm.
Yeah.
All right. Ask that. Let's hold off on the exhibit.
Okay.
What you mean, hold off on the exhibit? We talking about the 9mm right now, right?
Your Honor, the witness just testified that he had a 9mm firearm. So the issue of the access is now being demonstrated.
He says he has a 9mm.
Okay. So you own a 9mm Glock?
Staccato.
Is that a Glock?
It's just staccato. I don't know the difference between a Glock. Glock is the name of a gun?
Yes.
No, it's just staccato.
You don't know the difference between the Glock and the Staccato. You lying, boy? And talk about I own a lot of guns, but you don't know the difference between the Glock? Heck no, that was your bullets. That's what they getting to, is that was your bullets he left in the ground that you allegedly picked up off the ground. Starting off early. Oh, dang, I ain't even got the thing open. Y'all show some love to Survivor Speaks. Dropping the 20 bomb up in there. Appreciate you, family. Starting it off right. Boom! Much love, much love. Definitely appreciate that. You get 2 bombs for that one. Okay. We're going to get back into it. But yeah. He's slipping already.
Okay. Is it a semi-automatic 9mm?
I don't know the difference between what you're talking about.
Your Honor, the people would stipulate, before you take judicial notice, that 9mm firearms are semi-automatic firearms. Court take judicial notice, absolute stipulation.
You're right, not
wrong. So for how long has he had the 9mm? That might be
Great. Well, you're interested now, that's not but I'm interested in something else. Could I ask if he's publicized himself with 9mm?
Your Honor, it's irrelevant.
It is relevant, and you can ask that.
Thank you.
But for now, do not show it. You can ask it. And the question will call for a yes or a no.
This prosecutor on that boy, it's not relevant, Your Honor. Your Honor. He said it is relevant. Like we ain't doing that bullshit that Love was doing.
Mr. Efron, have you published pictures of yourself with a 9mm?
Do you know what he means by publish?
Yeah. Like where on my Instagram?
Anywhere.
I guess so, yes.
Okay. All right. Now, let's move closer to the time of the incident on November 6th of 2021. A few weeks before November 6th, 2021, and a few weeks before, you testified that you found shell casings at the scene, 9mm shell casing. You fired 9mm weapons at a shooting range, correct?
Definitely not.
Definitely not?
You heard me, definitely not. I
Okay.
own a firearm. I only got my firearm license a year and a half later, and I showed you that preliminary hearing. We went down this already.
Okay, so that would mean in October of 2021, October 19th to be specific, you definitely would not be shooting guns, including a 9mm semi-automatic at a firing range.
I don't know.
Well, no, you just said
The only relevant inquiry is whether he was firing a 9mm. He was firing 22s,
Yeah,
45s, 24s.
No, you weren't.
No, I wasn't.
Okay.
Not. The question is limited to him firing a 9mm.
Was I firing a 9mm?
That's what he's asking. In October of 21.
No. Like in a shooting range, you're not, like I don't understand.
At all.
No.
Here you are. With that, then, we're going to show a specific video from October 21st, 2021.
Are they going to show us?
Oh, sure.
Scott, no. You?
Yeah.
No, what I said was, if something is going to be shown to the jury, you have to share it amongst each other first.
So they've already, just so it's clear.
Stop.
They put up the video so the jury
It's not
can
up
see
there
it.
now.
Well, they saw it. It was.
They're going to see it in a second.
I mean,
Calm down.
if it's got to get posted.
Come on. Is there a way to look? Can you look at it on the computer there?
Without going up there?
Said they put up the video, Your Honor. Stop.
That would be nice.
What do I do?
Let's let Mr.
Do
Lewin
you
take
do
a
the thing
look.
with your knee that you always seem to do?
Say
So
it.
it shuts that. You accidentally do the thing with your knee, so it shuts that off. I think you always do. That we don't want you to do, but now we want you to do.
Why do I have to do that?
So we shut that off.
And so, hold on. For that dub spot, she said, this is about to be some bullshit. In advance, she already let you know it's about to be some bullshit. Shout out to Survivor Speaks with the 20 spot. That's what it was for letting us know it was about to be some BS. And we already getting into it, right into it, family, as soon as we starting. Appreciate you, family. Shout out to Survivor Speaks.
Oh, if it's shown there, it'll show
I don't
there.
know. I just want to change. Is it pull ups? Okay, we're good. We're good.
I don't have to do it?
No, you don't have to do it. So don't do it, please.
Let me just take a look. I'm sure I'm going to have to take a look anyway.
I know. You turn so fast.
Can you play?
I'm saying just show it.
Go ahead. Stick with it.
Go ahead.
And big shout out to Laugh Always Have Fun with the 20 spot. Appreciate you for the donation, family. Much love and appreciation. Appreciate the love. Drop a bomb for you. You can get 2 of them joints too. Appreciate the love, family. Y'all show Laugh Always some fun. Laugh Always some fun. Show her some love. Appreciate you, family. Drop some slime brothers and all that good stuff.
There you go.
Just wait. Judge say. You just do it.
You can show it, and you can be asked, what is it that he shoot? He said he hasn't fired, he didn't fire a 9mm. What is he firing in the video in October of 21? Okay.
Cha Diggy in the building. What up, family? Jazzy T in the building. What up, family?
Is that him?
Is that you?
Yeah.
Thanks, sir. All right.
Look, because if he didn't look back, he'd have been like, nah, that ain't me.
I don't know what I'm shooting. That's a fire. That's a range.
Okay. Well, first of all, you have to do the picture of the wall. You have other photos. Mr. Efron, what you just told this jury.
I don't know what I'm doing 365 days out the year.
Hold on, please, sir.
I'm talking about.
Hold on. What you just told this jury was that before November 6, 2021, you didn't fire any guns, but you didn't have your license. Did you tell that to this jury?
I said unless I went to a shooting range.
No, you said.
I just said that. But I'm not doing what I'm doing.
Okay, stop. All right, he's clarified, accepted a shooting range.
Oh.
Ask the next question.
Take a look at that gun right there to the right.
And when's the date of this?
Oh, we'll give you that in a second. Take a look at the gun to the right.
Okay. That's not my gun. That's obviously a shooting range.
That's what?
That's not my gun. That's a shooting range.
Okay. Is that the gun you used to shoot?
That's not my. What gun? To shoot who? What do you mean? At the shooting range?
Yes, sir.
That boy be flipping, flopping.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So.
Well, guess what? He said yes, guess what?
That gun used to shoot at the shooting range. So my question is, that gun to the right is a 9mm automatic, right?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
I don't know.
In the video, did you see shell casings ejecting backwards as you fired in the video we showed you? Did you see it? That's all I'm asking.
I guess.
Okay, I want you to guess. We'll watch it again. Go ahead.
That's what they do when you're in a shooting range. What's wrong with that?
Judge, you want to jump in or you want me to? I asked the question, do you see the shell casings being ejected?
And I said yes. It's a shooting range.
You said yes.
No, he said that's what they do. What's wrong with that?
It's a shooting range. I don't.
All right, the answer is yes. You saw it.
Yes.
Oh. The date, by the way, you asked for the date. We have a stipulation on the date.
Yes, what was the date again, please?
October 19th.
We have a stipulation.
October 19th, 2020. And where is this video taken again?
Yeah, it was obtained from his phone. He's right.
So we have a stipulation on that date, that this is outside of California, correct, counsel?
I don't know where it was taken.
Well,
Do you know where that was taken, sir?
What up again, Allie? See you. Appreciate you, family.
Picture where you, let me see. I mean, if I got it off my phone, it should say. I don't know what it is.
You don't remember where you were?
I mean, I should have that. It's timestamp.
It is timestamp. We have the
Timestamp and it should show where.
What they're asking you is.
No, I don't know.
Where is the range?
I don't know.
You don't know where the range is.
Somebody's probably in New Jersey or something like that, or like. I don't know. I don't want to guess. It's not LA though.
Maybe New Jersey, but you don't know.
yeah, the witness we asked, does he know if it's in California or not?
Why did the witness just said he doesn't know? He doesn't want to guess.
I wasn't in LA.
Can he be asked if it was in California, Your Honor?
He said he doesn't know it. Maybe it was New Jersey. That's the answer. Ask another question.
Okay. Take that down now, please. You told law enforcement after the alleged shooting that you called an attorney named Brian Hurwitz, and he told you to return to the scene and retrieve the gun casings. Is that right?
I don't remember. I don't remember something. I don't remember.
Let me ask you a question. Do you have a recollection one way or another? Is that fair?
It was 3 years ago. You're asking me something I told somebody one time.
Okay. So you don't have a recollection. Is that fair? Okay. Let me just back to refresh your recollection. That's what we do now. Hold on. Back to the report.
Crazy.
Okay. Mr. Yeah.
What? No.
I'm going to show you something, Mr. Efron. See if it refresh your recollection. Just read it to yourself. When you're done, look at me, please.
Am I supposed to be reading? What's this?
I'm going to show you. Just read this sentence starting with the after, right at the end of there. And when you're done, let me know.
Who is this from?
Just read it and look up at Mr. Takapina when you're finished reading it.
Who's this from? Just read it, sir. Just read the shit. What up, Jazzy T?
Shut the fuck up! Up into it.
Sure. Come back up. Sure. Yeah, sure. Start before that. Oh, okay. Just. Okay. All right. Let me know.
What am I supposed to do?
Okay, now. So you're right. Okay. So.
Now, what am I supposed to do?
Okay, now. So you're right. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'll ask you a question. And my question would be, having read that, does it or does it not refresh your recollection that you told law enforcement when you went to, when you spoke to law enforcement that you called an attorney named Brian Hurwitz and he told you to return to the scene and retrieve the shell casings? Does it refresh your recollection?
I don't think I'm allowed to tell you what I said with my lawyer.
Just you help me.
Answer the question.
I'm not asking you what you said to your lawyer. I'm asking what you said to your police.
This calls for a yes or a no.
What's the question again?
Sure. Did you, having read that, does it refresh your recollection that you told the police, not your, to the police, that you called an attorney, Brian Hurwitz, that night, November 6th, 2021, and he told you to return to the scene and retrieve the shell casings?
He's asking, did you tell that to the police?
He was there with me. Brian, I don't really remember. I don't remember. But the lawyer was there with me in the precinct.
No, it's a different question. That's on November 8th, right? At the precinct.
What are you talking about?
You just said the lawyer was there with you at the precinct, right? That's November 8th, sir. My question is, did you tell the police that on November 6th, your lawyer told you to go back to the scene and retrieve the casings on November 6th?
Why would he tell me that on?
The question is, did he tell you? Look at him. Why would he tell me? Why? You know dang well he didn't tell you nothing. That's the whole point. Why would he tell you? Why would you lie is the question.
The scene and retrieve the casings on November 6th.
Why would he tell me that on?
Is the answer yes?
I don't know. It's kind of confusing. I don't get what he's trying to say. I'm kind of confused.
Okay. Not trying to confuse you.
I mean, what you are.
What was supposedly the date of the call?
This was a call with the interview with the police on August 5th, 2022 with Detective Force. And you understand my question, Ron?
Do you know
Wait, what's your question?
Do you know Brian Hurwitz?
Yeah, that was my lawyer, my previous lawyer.
Right after the shooting, did you call him?
I had my business partners reach out to any lawyers in LA.
Did you call Brian Hurwitz that night or the night of the shooting or the next day?
He responded the next day.
Did you speak to Brian the next day?
Yeah.
But you didn't speak to him that night?
No, I didn't speak to him that night.
Yeah. So you didn't have.
All right, so now, you told me that you didn't speak to Brian Hurwitz until the very next day, which would be November 7th. Is that correct?
Yeah, so I had that position. Yeah.
He's going to ask you now about whether you did or did not make a certain statement to the police when you were interviewed in 2020. That's all he's asking you. Did you tell the police that
Anyway, I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna keep moving on here, so.
if you're ready to move on about whether you did or did not call Brian Hurwitz, if you don't need to
The record is.
explore it, fine, I'm good with it.
I think you just established, you didn't have a lawyer that night on November 6th at 10 or 11 or midnight. You didn't have a lawyer yet,
But
right?
after the shooting, no.
Okay. So you would agree it wouldn't make sense that a lawyer would tell you to go retrieve shell casings that night because you didn't have a lawyer yet. Agree? You agree?
I don't get what you're saying.
Based on what you just said, you would agree, therefore, that a lawyer did not tell you to go back and retrieve the shell casings.
I don't know what a lawyer told me. It was so long ago. Oh no, I did.
Yes.
No, I didn't speak to him. I didn't speak to him, yeah.
He looking like a big fool on the stand. Talking about, I don't know. You don't know what your lawyer said. You don't know what you talked to about your lawyer. You don't know if your girlfriend was there or not. You don't know where she was at the time. You back and forth with the whoop. Yo, and shout out to Just Lee. Appreciate you, family, for the Big 10 spot. Drop a bomb for you. Y'all show some love. Show Just Lee some love. Drop some JLs and some umbrellas and all that good stuff in the chat. Appreciate the love, family. Appreciate it. And where Jerome at, man? We owe you one. He dropped one right at the end of the show last time. But we got you, though, family. Appreciate y'all.
Now, I think we just established, I don't know what fact it was, but you didn't report this to the police until November 8th. The incident happened on November 6th. Do you agree with that?
It happened November 6th at 10 o'clock at night, so it was like basically a new day. I was waiting for a lawyer to respond before I take any...
Hold on. You're not answering the question that he asked. Ask the question again. Is this going to call for a yes or a no?
I'll even be more specific. You agree the altercation happened on November 6, 2021 at about 10:17 p.m. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And you didn't make the police report in person until November 8th at 7:20 p.m. Right?
Yeah, I was waiting for my lawyer.
You were asked by detectives when you went in there why you waited to contact the police for 2 days, and you said it's because I'm not really good with the police. You remember saying that?
Yeah, I don't really like the police. I don't even like being here right now, to be honest. It's just nerve-wracking.
Why, sir?
He said he don't even like the police. It's nerve-wracking. He's making me nervous. It reminds me of Dollar Bill off Players Club. He's making me nervous. I'm nervous. Nervous and paranoid.
Not good with the police.
It's not that I'm not good with the police. I just don't, you know, I don't know.
Well, you told the police I'm really not good with the police. Isn't that what you told them?
I mean, I don't think anybody wants to walk into a police station.
It's a different question. Just that. You told the police that you're really not good with the police.
At this point, objection relevance is 10:52.
You might ask him, why did you wait 2 days? He might be able to tell you now why you waited almost 48 hours.
Tell you what.
Just
But the police asked that question, and that was his answer on that. That's what I said. They said, why did you wait 2 days? He said, I'm not going to do it with the police.
That's what he said then.
Yeah.
You can ask
Is that still the same answer then?
Well, no, I waited 2 days because my lawyer, I told you that, and it's in text message. So I was waiting for a response from the lawyer going to the precinct.
Well, before you went to the precinct, those first 2 days, you tried to get money from Rocky, right?
No, I didn't.
You didn't send Rocky messages looking for money?
No.
His manager?
No.
You sure?
Positive.
And you remember, it was shown to you here, that text message. Do we have 63? Or, and I don't know the people's number, but you want to put up 63? Paul? Sorry. It's okay.
No, I'm working on something else.
What is it?
It's just a text that was put up. Couldn't have it, sir.
Oh.
Jeez.
Is this something that the jury's already seen?
Yes, sir. We'll just use the people's. We have, all right, we'll put ours, Exhibit J. It's Exhibit J, it's People's 21, whichever seats you care. Here's the black. If you want to use yours, well, it's here, it's the other portion here. Here. Okay. This is already an evidence wrong. This is People's 21. Okay, hold on. Do this thing. Okay. You saw that text message from Rocky to you at 12:46 a.m. the next morning, November 2nd, right? You've already seen that in this case.
Yeah.
Okay. And now you're trying to extort.
Don't. N-word.
I just want to know.
Okay, all right. Just want to make sure that it doesn't get.
Hold on, let me blow that up. We gotta see that on full blast. Hold on, I gotta be able to see that. Let me see. He said, you trying to extort. He said, oh, hold on, no, don't say that. That's what it say, though? All right, let me see what it say.
The next morning, November 2nd, right? You've already seen that in this case.
Yeah.
Okay. And now you're trying to extort.
Don't. N-word.
I just want to know.
Okay, all right. Just want to make sure that.
Oh, he told him don't say the N-word. Is he trying to now you trying to extort niggas? He told him no N-word. Okay, so the judge the one shutting that down. Okay.
It doesn't get mistakenly said. All right.
Now you're trying to extort ends talk about I shot you and shot 4 times and all types of nonsense. You're a phony. You don't have the best intentions. Stop texting me. Stop calling my manager and call police if I shot you. You weirdo. You remember seeing that text from Ron, correct?
Yeah.
And he got it that morning, correct? He received it at that time, right?
Yeah. At what time?
12:46 a.m. Right here. It says right here.
He said, yeah. At what time? 12:46. It's on there.
And part of the reason you said that you contacted the police is because Rocky persuaded you to do so, right?
You didn't persuade me. What you mean?
One of the reasons you called the police is because of this message from Rocky telling you to call the police. Is that one of the reasons you called the police?
No, I was going to call him regardless. I was waiting for the lawyer. He texted me that while I was already waiting for the lawyer. That's the next day.
Okay, Your Honor, I'm going to the preliminary hearing, correct?
Uh-oh, about to pull up the preliminary hearing stuff now. What up, Prentice? I see you, family.
I believe it's page, bear with me a second, I believe it's page 111.
Say it again?
I believe it's page 111, line 9. Yep.
Fair game.
Okay. Question
Fair game. It's on and cracking. Let's get it.
to you, sir, under oath at the preliminary hearing. Was that the advice, by the way, that you said Rocky gave you that caused you to call the police, referring to that text message? Answer by you. It was numerous ones, but yeah, that was one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was one of the reasons.
Yeah.
And before you reported this incident to law enforcement, you understood that the only way your lawyer would take your civil case is if you went to the police, correct?
Not true.
Not true.
Wait, can you repeat that again?
Not true.
Before you reported this incident to the police, you understood that the only way your lawyer would take your civil case is if you went to the police.
What lawyer? Brian?
Yeah.
What do you mean? So he told me he will only not. That didn't happen.
Okay.
And a crime was committed already. So anything legally.
Mr. Efron, all he asked you was to call for a yes, or a no, or I don't know, or I don't recall. Ask the question again.
I'm going to ask it again.
Let's get a response to that.
What up, Taryn? I see you.
Before you reported the incident to the police, you understood that the only way your lawyer, Brian Hurwitz, would take your civil case is if you went to the police, correct? Or no?
I mean, I asked him, can I just get a civil suit, I believe, and it's a crime. So that's obvious no. I had to press charges.
So he told you the only way he would take your case.
He didn't tell me the only way. I asked him. I'm asking questions.
You're on page 134, lines 25, 135, line 6.
And it was so long ago, I don't remember when I talked about with Brian.
Page
134, line 25. 135 lines. I'm sorry, 134, line 25. 135, line 6.
Okay.
What up, KP? I see you, family.
Question. When did you first meet Mr. Hurwitz? Answer by you under oath at the preliminary hearing at the police station. Question. The day you made the report? Answer no. Answer. The day, so I had my assistant reach out to a bunch of attorneys, and I was waiting to hear back from whoever was going to answer. So then once Hurwitz, Brian, answered, we spoke for a little bit, and he advised me that the only way he would take this case is if I go to the police department, because it was a crime. You recall me that answer under oath?
I mean, I guess.
What you mean you get?
We
Better
talked
pay
about that
my,
individual
pay my money or else.
This is Jimmy, who you said you knew, correct?
Who?
Wally's Jennings.
Wale? Wale? Okay.
The guy, the IT guy, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know Wally, right?
Is that yes?
I said it.
Did you tell Wally in August of 2022 that you can't sue someone with circumstances like that without a criminal action? Did you say that to Wally?
I mean, that's clear. You can't sue somebody that said it's a crime.
Somebody's asking, he's asking, did you tell that to Wally?
I don't remember. This dude probably was baiting me, calling me. I don't know. Got a spoof of his voice.
So the answer is no?
No.
I'm sorry.
You a damn lie.
I just want to follow up
What up, Karen?
on that answer.
Voice.
So the answer is no?
No.
I'm sorry, I just want to follow up on that answer. The dude was baiting you, calling you, did you say?
I mean, you telling me about private conversations that I had with this dude.
I'm asking, I'm not telling you.
I mean,
Did you say spoof?
the phone call you played yesterday was not me.
That was not you.
That was not me.
That was fake.
That was fake. 100% fake.
Yeah. You would agree, sir, that you really didn't care about getting the police involved in this case. What you really wanted was money from Rocky, right?
This is not a civil suit.
He's asking you a yes or no question. Ask the question again.
Can you ask the question again?
Sure. You agree that you really don't care about getting the police involved. Your end game was to get money from Rocky, right? Yes or no?
No, I wanted some type of protection too. He was not giving me no type of comfort that this was not going to happen again, nor. So, regardless, I was going to go to
So
the
the
police.
answer is no?
No, I was going to go to the
The
police.
answer is no.
Yeah.
It's gonna be trouble, trouble, trouble.
Well, did you tell Wally in April of 2022, I don't give an F about no police N-word? You said Wally.
What's the contents to that? What is that about?
About this case.
But you're not, what are you talking about?
Based on the question, it would be irrelevant without further foundation.
I'm asking if you made a statement to Wally.
I don't know. I don't.
Objection foundation is a statement. It's a statement.
Okay.
You talking about Rush?
I guess they don't be tripping on the phones out there like that in Cali, huh? Cause shoot, he ain't said nothing about them phones. You know, Glanville would have been ready to rustle his tail feathers.
Did you tell Wally in April of 2022 that the end game is you're gonna sue the shit out of Rocky?
When? If I already have a civil suit and this dude's calling me, I'm openly telling him I have a civil suit.
Mr. Efron, that's not what he's asking. Please listen to his question.
I don't know. I
want you to listen to his question, and then you can say, I don't know, or I don't remember, or yes or no. Mr. Tacopina, can you re-ask that
Sure,
question?
Your Honor, sure. In April of 2022, did you tell Wally the end game? I'm suing the shit out of Rocky.
I don't know.
He know damn well he coming after that bag. You failed, brother. What up, Kimberly?
We're in a position where I'd like to say the procedures yesterday. I'd like to show the witness this first. It's the screenshot of the recording. I'll ask them to go ahead. I'm going to do the same exact procedure. I did
Show that
yesterday.
first.
Yeah.
Shout out to today's stream sponsors. Appreciate you, family. Appreciate all the love and support.
Okay, Your Honor, we're trying to avoid publishing
Oh, we won't publish it, my law.
phone number. No phone numbers to be shown to anybody. We will stipulate that the photograph that counsel wants to show you without louder, louder, louder. Oh, the counsel wants to show the witness. Would be his, the witness's phone number. Yes.
I'm just going to show this to the witness. You don't have to read it, but there was a stipulation there, so. Turn away. Again, don't read it, that's your number.
Tell you the truth, I don't know what y'all got going on at this point. Like, you gotta, I don't know.
Hold on, look at his face. Tell you the truth, I don't know what y'all got going on at this point. Hold on. Look at the lawyer. Let me zoom in. Look at Taco.
What's going on? The truth, I don't know what y'all got going on at this point. Like, you gotta, I don't know what's going on. If that's not coming from, I don't know.
Look at him. Oh no, he like, man, how can somebody sit here and really play so dumb? That's crazy. And then this is your court case though, right? You the one brought the case, right? You suing us, right?
I don't know what you're doing.
Okay. Well,
Yeah, counsel, you gotta stick.
I need some broad, like,
photo.
okay.
Your
We
stipulation.
have a stipulation that that's the number for Mr.
Yes.
Efron.
All right, the stipulation is that you've shown Mr. Efron a screenshot.
Correct.
There's a phone number on the screenshot.
Correct.
The phone number is Mr. Efron's.
Correct.
Yeah, all right. Is that the stipulation?
That is. Now, as procedurally we did yesterday, I'd like you to listen to this and tell us if it's in. Okay?
Yes.
Can I get some help somehow? Yeah, like that.
I don't have headphones or something, it's a microphone.
Your Honor, the witness is asking if we have headphones.
It's like it's right here.
Can we shut them, kill the mic?
He like, yeah, we need to make sure y'all don't hear this. Let me cut this all the way down, sir. Give me some headphones.
Is that a normal, what kind of plug is that? I have heard that before. Looks like a mini. Does this work? Yes?
All right, y'all, I'll be right back. We got you, family. Appreciate you.
They're not free.
You just deleted that thing. Do that first, Sean.
I think that the input is, yeah, on that side. Okay.
Can't hear nothing.
I guess they're not working, John.
He's talking about, I can't hear nothing.
Alex, Star, or judicial assistant, says new audio. You want to try this? Device detected.
Yeah, that will work.
We'll go new school. Compliments of Alex.
Thanks anyway, John.
I'm gonna start wearing my headphones so I can hear better too, because I don't usually hear that good during the live. I'm gonna plug my headphones up though. Look at him. Hold on. He still can't hear it. No one in the building. What's good, family?
Your Honor, and both headsets aren't working. We just do what we did yesterday. Keep it low, let him hear it.
Yes.
Just start from wherever. Just let him hear.
Look at this guy, man. There ain't no way.
It's fake. It's fake. Get that away from me.
He wants us to get that away.
Get it away from me.
No, get away.
It's fake. He said it's fake. Get it away from me. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Oh, somebody, he needs some milk.
These nuts. Got him. Got him.
It's fake. It's fake. Get that away from me.
He wants us to get that away.
Get it away from me.
No, get away. Get away. It's fake, you said?
It's fake.
So that's another fake recording.
That's another fake recording.
So that's not your voice.
That's not me. You just said he's an IT guy.
Oh, so who are you talking about?
Your Honor, at this point, there's no foundation that can have.
Right, he says it's not him, go on to something else.
Well, did I inquire as to why he thinks it's not him, Your Honor? He said it's fake. I want to
Your Honor,
understand
the
the
question's
reason.
been
It
answered.
doesn't, if he said it's not him, it doesn't matter why he's saying it's not him. He's saying it's not him. If you can prove otherwise, that it is him, then that you're entitled to do that.
Thank you. So ultimately, you filed a lawsuit against Rocky in 2022. Yes or no? I don't remember. Did you file a lawsuit against Rocky?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what year you filed a lawsuit against Rocky? Okay. And the lawsuit hasn't been resolved and it's still pending, right?
Correct.
And in that lawsuit, you accused Rocky of assault, correct?
You would have to ask my lawyers. I have a headache.
Don't you have the complaint?
Your Honor, counsel,
We thought that was we agreed that the causes of that, the document that shows the causes of action, that was
Well, I did. I thought it was coming through a different witness, but we could stipulate that comes now. That's great.
we're stipulating the lawsuit was filed, complaint filed on August 10th.
Can you stipulate what the causes of action are alleged to be?
Sure.
Okay? Say it loud enough.
Sure.
In fact, it would be easy on all these stipulations, if they could be printed, marked as an exhibit, and then the jury could look at them if they want to during deliberations.
All right. I'll read it down to your letter. First cause of action, assault against all defendants and those. Second cause of action, battery.
You have to raise up the volume a little bit. It's hard to hear you.
Okay. Generally, that's not a problem. I'll raise it up. Second cause of action, battery against all defendants and those. Third cause of action, intentional infliction of emotional distress against all defendants and those. Fourth cause of action, negligence per se against all defendants and those.
Now, and just also to have a stipulation that the only named defendant is Rocky Mayers.
Yes, well, it says Rocky named an individual and those 1 through 15 defendants.
Do you have claims against anyone else, by the way, aside from Rocky? In this lawsuit, for assault and battery and all that. Okay. Now, in your lawsuit, you claim that as a result of the defendant firing the handgun at you, you were struck by a bullet, projectile, or fragments which required you to seek necessary medical attention. that true?
That's correct.
Now, you understand that's different than what you told the police in this jury, that you believe your hand was raised.
Your Honor, this would be sustained.
Now, you assert that the bullet projectile that hit your hand, according to your civil suit, required you to seek necessary medical attention.
Your Honor, it's improper impeachment. This is a civil suit. So on a final step. Any further questions area?
What the causes of action are, the jury has heard. That's the relevance of it.
I don't want to run afoul of the court's ruling. I want to ask, there's another question I want to ask regarding the permanent damage alleged. Why is that?
Your Honor, our position would be...
Stop. You can ask him if he has any permanent damage. It doesn't matter what it says in there.
No.
Is there any permanent damage as a result of the injury received supposedly on November the 6th?
Your Honor, just make the people have no objection to any questions of the witness regarding his knowledge of what he's doing. Our issue is going back to what is in the complaint.
Right, I agree.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I agree.
So my question, if I could follow the court's guidance. Has this incident caused permanent physical damage to you?
Yes.
Okay. What is the permanent physical damage that it has caused to you? They're not the lawsuit.
Permanent physical damage. He said yes. That's a yes.
I mean, just look at it. I like to live in hell. Besides me doing what I'm doing, I can't really...
Okay, that's not what he's asking. Ask again.
Sure. What is the permanent physical damage that this incident has caused to you? The permanent physical damage?
No, there's no permanent physical damage. I just was hurt that on a moment.
So if someone wrote on your behalf, no. Okay. Right. We're going to show.
The objection would be irrelevant or hearsay?
The objection would be irrelevant.
All right, sustained.
You got on the first one. That's right.
We've asked it no more questions in this area. Given the court's ruling, Your Honor, when Mr. Crackfeed says, hey, I tried.
We don't lose speak in there.
No, stop. If a question is asked and you think it's objectionable, lodge an objection.
Can the court instruct Mr. Crackfeed?
No, I'm not.
All right.
Okay, we're on number 7, Your Honor. If you recall yesterday's ruling, 7 photos were on number 7 now. We've all looked at this already. The Honors looked at it, they looked at it, we're good, we're ruled. So I'm going to show you one last post from your Instagram.
Hey, hold on. What up, Mercy and Grace? I appreciate you joining. Hey, now that's a good question right there. Who the hell taking time to fake your voice when all this BS that's going on? Who gonna take time and think about trying to fake your voice for some bullshit like this? Hell no.
Mr.
We didn't mark this.
We did not mark this.
Okay, this can be O's and O's.
Okay, we finally got an Now,
Your Honor, given the witness's statement that there's no permanent physical damage, what would be the relevance of this photo?
we weren't ruled yesterday about the relatives.
This is also July of 2022. What would be the relevance of this photo?
The objection is overruled. It can be shown to Mr. Evans.
Okay. That's obviously your hand, right? Sir?
Okay.
It was okay, then yes.
Sure.
Okay. And that's the left hand.
Sure.
That was injured by the gunshot.
By the graves, yeah.
By the graves. You see, as you sit there, you see any
I mean, I can go around and show everybody right now. I still got it 3 years later. I'm showing them a far picture. I still got it.
But hold up, though. He said it was injured by the Grays. It was injured by the Grays of what? What's the Grays?
No. You see, as you sit there, you see any?
I mean, I can go around and show everybody right now. I still got it 3 years later. I'm showing them a far picture. I still got it. No, I can't see it right there. I can't see it.
Get up. Next, you have a question for you. Okay? All right. Now, you take it.
Just so you know, we're going to break in 3 minutes. So I want to give the court reporter and everybody else time to stretch their legs, etc.
Trying to avoid an objection and save you some time.
Oh, I got all day. I'm fine.
All day till 4:30 PST, that is.
You going to go to a different topic? Mr. Tackett, are you going to go to a different area?
I might.
No, right now.
Oh, I think so, but give me 1 second, because I might have 1 or 2 more questions on this. If not, we'll
All right.
break.
When you're finished with this area, we'll take the break.
I have 1 more question on this regarding his frame of mind, and then we're done with the civil lawsuit. How can you object? What are you saying?
You showed me a question.
No, it's a different one.
Oh, okay.
I know you object. I'm asking for your understanding, Mr. Efron, your frame of mind. Is it your understanding, your frame of mind, and again, I just want your understanding, not the law or anything else, that if Rocky is found guilty here, you get automatic finding of liability in your civil case?
I have no knowledge about that.
Okay. We could break now.
All right, folks, we'll take a break till 3:15. Please don't discuss the case.
Y'all go sub up to Queen Slime. While they take a break, I'm going to just skip past forward because we got that TiVo time now. Appreciate y'all being here, though, family.
Parties, jurors, and counsel are present. Mr. Efron is on the stand, and Mr. Cappuccino is here.
Mr. Efron, did you, sir, ever ask any of Rocky's friends, associates, managers to pay you millions of dollars, for Rocky to pay you millions of dollars to make the criminal case disappear?
That's not even up to me, but I don't know. No.
The answer is no?
No.
And you never said, give me millions of dollars and I will go to an island that they can't prosecute you? Anyone?
Hi guys.
What?
How is everybody? It's
Say that again? Sure. You never said, give me millions of dollars and I will go to another island and they won't be able to find me to prosecute you? Did you ever say that? Any of Rocky's friends, associates, managers?
Jeez, tell me about it.
you know, you're aware that your lawyers made a demand for $30 million, correct?
I never knew the amount.
You never knew the amount, $30 million?
Was that no?
No.
Did you ever make a demand, you personally, for 30 M's or $30 million?
Like I said, I never seen an actual lawsuit. I never made a demand.
That's not what he's asking.
Did I make a demand to somebody? No.
No. I'm going to ask you if you said the following to Wally Sajemi. Okay, just listen to me and tell me if you said the following. He, being Rocky, is going to have to deal with that and his political ties and everything else, because once I walk away, when I get my cash, the case gets way weaker. It's just like a domestic violence case. If you hit your BITCH and your BITCH wants to keep going through with the situation, you'll go down. But if you're not there, then they're going against the state and it's way weaker. If I'm not there, if he pays me out, being Rocky, via through my lawsuit, I'll walk away basically. It's going to be hard for the DA to find me because I'm going to be on another island just relaxing. You get what I'm saying? They're going to be scrambling to find me because now they have to go against Rocky, the state. And yeah, they have evidence of this and that and the third, but it's not going to be the same when you present it to the jury and you don't have the complaining witness. Did you ever say that to Wally Sajemi?
No.
You didn't?
No.
Okay. So now, we're going to do what we've done a few times already. I'm going to bring up a recording, let you hear it, and you're going to tell me if it's you.
That boy is stressed out. Look, he like, I just want to go home. I just want to finish this. BS. Terrence Stewart, Child Dick.
So you're going to bring it up to him?
Same thing. I'm just trying to write. Yeah, 1 second. Everyone lives the same thing we did before. Just take a listen. Tell us if you recognize the voice out there.
You can move it.
I'm sorry. Something happened.
No, it's not me. I heard it.
How long was that recording did you hear just now?
Heard enough.
How long?
I don't know. She's played it. I heard it. Didn't sound like me.
Didn't sound like you?
No.
Is that fake also?
I don't know. You tell me. You putting all type of fake stuff in front of me.
What fake stuff?
You know it's fake.
No, stop. Stop.
What fake stuff am I putting in front of you?
Hold on, he putting fake stuff in front of him. That ain't me. It's an AI. And we said at the beginning that this was an AI case, right? When they was playing them first recordings, the prosecutor was playing was sounding like AI. That's probably why he think this stuff is AI, because they got AI on the prosecution side. the 911 call. Oh no, but then that ended up being the girl. They did bring her in there though, but she sounded like AI.
I don't know. You're just too Wally. I don't know. You just keep putting this fake stuff in front of me.
Are you saying you don't know who Wally is? Sir, are you saying you don't know who Wally is?
It's not real. I don't know him. I met him. I don't know of him. I know him. But this is...
He met him. He don't know him. He know of him. Hold on. We might need to zoom in on his face. We need a close-up of him with this lie right here. Let me get the close up because he about to get caught straight up lying. I don't know him. What you mean you don't know him? And then he gonna say, well, I do kind of know him. I don't know him, but I know him, but I don't know him. Which one is it, sir? Is it the left or right, sir?
That would be the right front, the right left, excuse me, the right left side. Front.
Okay, all right.
This is beyond me.
Have you used Wally to do any work for you?
No.
You
asked him one time to get me verified. I told you that.
Okay.
He kept in conversation with me.
I thought you didn't know him, no.
You see, now I know why.
What do you mean now you know why? What do you mean now you know why? That's fake.
I thought it was kind of weird that the man got me up in the first place.
Mr. Efron, stop. Ask another question.
What did you just mean to this jury when you said now you know why? Get the conversation.
I mean, he always hits me up, asking me how I'm doing. Yo, that's fucked up. You know, Rocky, y'all my brother. It's weird. He's baiting me into like spoofing my voice or doing something. Because now all of a sudden you coming to me talking about Wale is doing this, that, and the third, and none of the conversations I have with him, none of them don't even start like that. I don't even sound like that. He's more so asking, yo, how's the case going? Yo, that's fucked up. And I asked him, yo, you still work for Rocky? He said, no, I don't work for him. Ain't nobody really, there's no real emotion over there.
So you've had conversations with Wally?
Not those conversations. I mean, he calls me. He calls me probably once a month, every 2-3 months, and asks me very vague questions. Oh, how's it going, my brother? Oh, what's this?
So you didn't have
those
conversations?
No, those is fake. Those is fake.
Sir, you heard about 3 seconds.
It don't matter. How would you know? You over there. She's playing it here.
Because I counted 1, 2, 3. You want to hear the whole conversation?
No. Sure. No. No. I just want this over.
Mr. Tacopini, he said it's not him. So go on.
So he says. You know you're on the road now, right, Mr. Efron? You know that?
Yes, I do.
And like you said to your partner, Justin Benet, November 7th, 2021 at 3:40 a.m. This is already in evidence, Your Honor.
After the shooting?
Yeah.
Okay.
November 7th, 2021 at 3:40 a.m. is after the shooting. That's your partner, Justin Benet, is saying, I want to get this ends money to burn to Rocky, correct?
Yeah, because I got damages. I'm suing him. That's 3-something in the morning. I already have a lawyer.
So the answer is yes?
Yes.
But you had a lawyer at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Hey, I know how you feeling, FFS. They got me locked out too. I'm about to go scrape my knuckles on the ground and say somebody shot me in a minute. Shoot, if he win this case, I'm next. Cause yeah, they got me on the no look status right now. No C.
20 hours after the incident?
I mean, I'm waiting for a lawyer. I'm telling him he's in D.C. He's the one that I started Shutout with, so I'm telling him. I mean, I could have said in better contents, but yeah, I said it like that.
And of course, Rocky wasn't willing to pay you any money, right?
How would he be willing to pay me? It's not a case yet. It wasn't a case. I literally said what I said right there.
All right, you've answered the question.
So instead of being on an idle relaxing with 30 M's, 30 million, you're here in downtown LA. Right, Mr. Efron?
You're here too.
I know I am. I know I am.
All right, you didn't.
You're on, I know the purpose.
You don't need an answer to the question?
I don't need an answer to that question.
All right.
Obviously, sit downtown LA.
Wait. I don't know if the court just noticed. Pasadena, as he's walking away, is mumbling about. No, he has no further questions. Let's just move on. Ask, do you have anything, Mr. Frisloman?
What did he mumble? Hold on, let me rewind it. What did he mumble when he was walking away? Let me see. I'm gonna rewind this some.
I do. The floor is
relaxing with 30.
What I said right there.
All right, you've answered the question.
So instead of being on an idle relaxing with 30 M's, 30 million, you're here in downtown LA. Right, Mr. Efron?
You're here too.
I know I am. I know I am.
All right, you didn't.
Your Honor, I have nothing further.
You don't need an answer to the question?
I don't need an answer to that question.
All right.
Obviously, said that penalty.
Wait. I don't know if the court...
Okay, right there. He said obviously something.
I know it.
All right. You didn't...
Your Honor, I have nothing further.
You don't need an answer to the question?
I don't need an answer to that question.
All right.
Obviously, said that penalty.
Wait. I don't know if the court... That Medina, as he's walking away, is mumbling about...
My bad, I muted myself right when I was about to start it. I turned it up. Hopefully y'all can hear it. I ain't got my headphones plugged up, but I will be using them in the future so I can hear those parts, because I can't hear that clear. I'm going to have to hook those up. But appreciate y'all being here, family. Let's keep it going.
No, he has no further questions. Let's just move on. Ask, do you have anything, Mr. Kuzloman?
I do.
The floor is yours.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Efron, I want to start on November 6, 2021. You said that you flew into town that day, correct? Or not that day, but for the recording session that occurred on that day.
Yes. Yeah.
You flew in a day or a few days before that, correct?
The day before.
And you said you flew on a commercial jet, correct?
Yes, Delta.
You also said you did not have a gun with you when you flew on that plane, correct?
Okay.
Did you bring any ammunition with you?
No.
Did you bring any fired cartridge cases with you?
No, I ain't home to that.
Casings, those things that come out of the gun, you didn't have any of those with you that day,
No.
correct? You said at the time you were living in New York, correct?
Yeah.
Even though you were living in New York, did you have a California driver's license?
No, never.
Did you try to purchase any ammunition in California?
No, never.
Your Honor, will the court at this point take judicial notice that you cannot buy ammunition in California? It's not relevant. He said he didn't try to buy ammunition. That's the answer to the question. Whether it is lawful or not lawful to buy ammunition in California, it's not relevant to the question. Go ahead.
He could just went to Walmart and bought some ammunition. All you need is an ID.
You were showing a lot of pictures from your Instagram account, your social media, correct?
Correct.
You, at the time, did you have an Instagram account related to your career in the entertainment industry?
I did.
And what was the purpose of that Instagram account?
To promote the artist and my body of work.
Is your Instagram account supposed to be a factual documentation of your life?
Oh, it's a persona. Much of a persona you living through the internet.
So is it fair to say that even if you posted a picture with next to a private jet, that doesn't necessarily mean that's your private jet, correct?
Yeah, no, that wasn't my private jet.
So why is it then that you post photos of yourself with a private jet? So just take that as an example.
Thought it was cool.
Not necessarily conveying that you're swearing under oath that you own a private jet or regularly travel on private jets. Fair to say?
No.
Okay.
Wait, that's not fair to say?
Is that fair? Sorry. I think the police are on the line.
Why don't you re-ask the question?
Okay. If you post a picture of yourself next to a private jet, by doing that, are you taking an oath and saying, that's my private jet that I own?
You want something like that?
Would the same be true if you have a stack of money that you're holding in a photograph? Does that necessarily mean that that's your money?
No. I don't necessarily be yours.
So basically he's saying, I be fronting, nah, none of that stuff is mine. All that Louis Vuitton that was on my Instagram, nah, none of that was mine.
Is it just portraying a certain image online?
What do you mean?
But it's not necessarily reflective of reality.
Yeah. Perception.
Okay. You were asked questions. Do we have the defense exhibits, Your Honor?
Joni 4 in the building. What up, family? I see you. Appreciate you.
Where's your exhibits? The text messages.
Shout out to today's stream sponsors. Appreciate you, family.
Your Honor, do you have a list of the defense exhibits? What are you looking for? I'm looking for the thread of text messages between the victim and the defendant. On November 6, 2021.
Next to the exhibit letters, I just wrote whether it's a text, a photo, a screenshot. So I didn't take it down to the detail. Maybe Alex. J.K. Alex. J.K. Alex. J is a text, K is a text, L is a text. And so is C. C also. Doing all right on the water?
Trying to hit that 4K sub goal. Y'all help us out. Just hit the subscribe button one time. Appreciate you, family.
Well, we have an exhibit. We didn't formally market it on social media. So what's the next one?
What is it?
It's the text that'll show us.
P as in Paul.
What is it?
P as in Paul.
That's P as in Paul.
Are we sure? I thought you already
There was a P, but it was withdrawn.
Do you have a sticker?
And for those of you who don't have CashApp, we have the PayPal link in the description. I mean, in the chat.
Okay, Mr. Efron, I'm showing you, not showing you, these text messages. You recognize this? I just want you to have a chance to orient yourself to it. So that's what I'm asking if you recognize it.
You know, we need that zoom in
And
action.
the messages at the top here, these 4 messages, you said were messages
cut
that
it
were
off.
deleted off of your phone, correct?
Yes.
Now, I believe you testified yesterday. Well, can you explain to the jury? I don't want to put words in your mouth. Can you explain to the jury how it was that those text messages were deleted? What exactly did you do?
What do you mean? Like how did I delete them?
How was it deleted?
Oh, I just wiped over. I deleted it the same day I sent it. So the 6th, I sent it, and I deleted it right after.
What did you delete?
These 4 text messages.
Only those 4 text messages?
Yeah.
So were there any messages between you and the defendant before that?
I wouldn't know.
In 2020, 2019?
So long ago. I know this one was deleted, and that's why the next one, see where you at, it looks like a new conversation because that was deleted the same day on the 6th.
Okay.
Right now.
Hold on. I want to make sure I'm clear on this point.
Tack Cloud said, "Can we get a cat's eye up in this mug one time for the one time?" I got you, Tat.
Hi guys, how is everybody?
Shout out to Queen Slime. Y'all go sub up. Great content. She's also covering this trial. Great content. Y'all make sure y'all go sub up, show her some support. Queen Slime over there holding it down, as always. Hold on, I gotta shrink this screen so y'all can see his face. I got his face over there. Hold on. Look how I'm looking at the camera. Let me blow him up. He like, do y'all see this? Is y'all seeing this? Is y'all seeing this BS going on? All right, let's get it. Cat said he just seems so janky. I don't think he's broke, but I think it's ill-gotten, and he's hungry for a money grab regardless of being good. Yeah, that's true. He trying to be on a level. He said that too because he said he was mad that they was looking at Rocky like he was the top the top boss, like he was the head of ASAP, and he wasn't the head of ASAP, so he was jealous about that. It's not like he's starving and looking to survive, right? He tried to come in court looking like that, though.
No, sorry. So I'm displaying next to it, People's Exhibit 13. So you kind of see half of Defense P, and on the right-hand side is People's 13. So, Mr. Efron, your version of the messages starts at WYA, correct?
Yeah, because that was my text thread, basically.
So, can you explain that to the jury, what you're talking about when you say that's a new text thread?
So basically, after you delete your message, unless that person texts you, or unless you text that person, that's a new message.
So, when did you delete these 4 messages?
The same day I sent it to him.
When that day?
The 6th.
But when?
A couple hours after.
After you sent them?
Yeah, after I sent it to him.
So if you sent these at 10:30 in the morning, would you have deleted them at around noon, 1 o'clock? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, for sure.
So you deleted these 4 messages before you received the WYA text message, correct?
Correct.
You did not delete them after the defendant shot at you. Is that fair?
Yes, that's fair. I didn't delete it.
So on your text thread, when you say it shows up as a new message, that's the first message in your text thread, correct?
Correct.
And as it was extracted from your phone, the first message in your text conversation with the defendant is that WYA text message, correct?
Yes.
So there's no messages from November 5th back, correct? The first message is November 6th at 9:39 in your phone.
Yeah. Sorry. I need clarification. First message.
First message.
Ever.
In that text thread.
First message is not November 5th, though.
I said the first message is November 6th, so there's no messages from November 5th going back in time. Are you following what I'm saying? If it's confusing, tell me and I'll clarify.
Just let me say it.
This is the beginning of the text thread you had with the defendant after you deleted it, correct?
Yes.
So it wasn't that you went through the text thread and selectively deleted things that you thought were going to make you look bad. You deleted the entire conversation.
Yeah, I deleted it because I didn't like the way it looked on my phone, like what I was saying to him.
And then the first message you got that you kept was the WYA, correct?
Yeah, that's what he wrote me the next day.
When you deleted those messages, were you trying to hide the fact that you had sent him rude messages?
No, I didn't care. I just was over the fact, over everything.
Well, obviously. Why else would he be deleting them?
Your deleting those messages had nothing to do with the fact that he shot at you, correct?
No.
Because you deleted them before he shot at you.
I deleted it before.
Objection deleting on it.
We already got the answer that's in now.
The answer's stricken. Questions. Juries disregard the question and the answer. No. Ask another question.
Is it common in your friend group, we can even narrow this down to the members or former members of ASAP, that there will be a certain amount of banter or rude messages exchanged between each other? Is that fair to say?
What, with all the members?
Is that how you guys talk to each other? That's my question.
Yeah.
Have you called other members a pussy? Is that, a pejorative?
Yeah.
Looking like a fool. Yeah, you know what you call them. You calling them pussy when you acting like you scared and you in here in court trying to get your get back. But you've been talking shit to them this whole time.
That wasn't something that you singled out to call the defendant. That is exchanged between members of ASAP, correct?
Yeah, I mean, the men always going through things.
I believe you said that you, on cross-examination, that you had also exchanged messages like that with Ills, but you said it's because you guys are like brothers. Is that fair?
Yeah, with Bari to have arguments with. You're gonna argue with your brother.
Hi guys, how is everybody?
You testified that on cross that there was a period of time after the shooting that your name was not publicly associated as the victim in this case. Is that correct?
Correct.
Do you know when did that change?
When Jabari posted my car and said this snitch ass N-word ratted on my brother.
Okay. And you said that was on Instagram?
That's a fact. Where Chloe at? I miss Chloe too.
Do you know approximately the date that happened?
That was the day Rocky got locked up.
Okay.
Coming back from Barbados, I believe, on the plane. And he was still in custody.
And after Jabari said that, did you see that recorded anywhere publicly?
It was everywhere.
What do you mean it was everywhere?
Literally everywhere. Every major little news outlet.
Okay. Your Honor, I have just an example of that on Marcus People 22.
Is that a screenshot? What is it?
Yeah, I believe it is, yeah. Yes.
While they do that, shout out to FFS for the 5 spot. Appreciate you, family. Dropping 5 on it. Y'all show FFS some love. Drop some slime brothers. Drop some FFS in the chat. Say thank you and all that.
Everybody. Lady Justice is blind. Everybody can get it.
Shout out to FFS. Appreciate the support, family. Y'all show them some love. Drop a bomb. All right. They almost up out of here, family. We're going to get to this last little piece for the day and see what else they got to say. Appreciate y'all. Let's get it.
Recognize what you see there?
Yeah.
And what is that?
No jumper.
What's no jumper?
And an outlet, like a media.
Okay.
It's 22.
Mr. Chairman, can you speak out just a little louder? Maybe the jury, I'm having a little trouble here.
I'm going to put it on the screen. You can see.
Survivor said he's selling them peaches.
Marcus Peoples 22, you said this was a post from No Jumper, correct?
Yeah, correct.
On the social media platform formerly known as Twitter?
Yeah.
Okay. And this was one example of you being named as the victim associated with this case, correct?
Yes.
And if the date is marked as April 20, 2022, does that sound about the time that that happened to you? If you don't know the dates, that's fair, but...
The dates that what happened to me?
That you were named as the victim.
Oh, yes.
Publicly. And not only were you named as the victim in this case, but you were labeled a snitch, correct?
Yeah.
What connotation does that have in the rap world that you were a member of at that time?
Or was it rejection? I mean, can you say that again?
Yeah, is that a positive thing to be labeled a snitch?
No.
What does it mean?
It means you canceled.
He said that mean you canceled. If you labeled a snitch, you canceled. Well, I don't know. Not if you ask 6ix9ine or Woody.
I'm weird because I have my own theory about that.
I don't know about that.
Talking about your text exchange with John Iman, who was, you testified before, was Rocky's manager, correct?
Yes.
Your Honor, I have a 8-page document, pre-market People 23.
What is it?
text messages with John Iman.
It's 8 pages of text.
It is.
Right there.
We haven't seen it yet.
Well, they introduced the I'm getting itch, so I think that's in this exhibit.
That's fine, give me time. Go ahead and do it.
Oh yeah, and by the way, that 5 spot from FFS was to tell y'all 5 people need to hit the goddamn motherfucking like button. Y'all show some love for FFS and hit the like button one time. Appreciate you, family. Drop another bomb for FFS for the 5 gifted memberships via Cash App. Appreciate you, family. 5 honorary gifted memberships. Appreciate the love. Y'all showing some love. Appreciate you. The $15.99. Well, okay, the motherfucker tired. $15.99. So y'all show them some love. Appreciate you, family. If y'all got gifted a membership from FFS, y'all show them some love. Appreciate you, family. An honorary gifted membership. Just selling them peaches. Is this it? Or what? Should I skip past this? There you go, little, okay. I see you, little lady. Got something to look at now, huh?
Okay, thank you.
Let's play.
Mr. Efron, I'm going to show you the cover page here. First message is a little difficult, but go down. Do you recognize?
It's a fact. He is not picking up what the prosecution is putting down. He's trying to help him out. He's trying to save him, but it ain't working.
What we see here. I know the number's blocked out, but do you recognize this to be your text messages with John, the person that you refer to as the defendant's manager?
Yeah, this is like a legit text.
Speaking to the mic.
Yes, that looks like a legit text.
Okay. And you say that looks like a legit text because this came off of your phone, correct? Yeah. And the reason why we have your phone is because you walked your phone into an NYPD precinct. Is that correct?
Yeah.
You gave it to the police.
I did.
And you allowed them to make a digital copy of every...
Hold up. You know what that make me think of? A horse that needs to be led to water and dunked. We can't mention horses without your girl. Where's she at?
Your Honor, I apologize for interrupting the state earlier, but the state can talk the ears off a donkey. This continued filibustering has got to stop.
Everything on your phone, correct?
I did.
Do you know that that was all given to the defense too?
No.
Okay. You know that now?
Yeah.
Your first message with John starts November 7th, 2021 at 12:04 in the morning. I know, actually, it's really small, hard to see, correct? see that?
Yeah.
So we're talking, if that's your first message to John, that would be after the shooting, correct?
Yeah, like 45 hours ago.
And do you remember what it was that you texted him?
That right there?
Yeah.
First,
I know it's just an icon, but do you remember what it was? It was a picture, correct? And then you texted him again, 12:04. Looks like a screenshot of a text message conversation, correct?
Yeah, I texted him me and Rocky's conversation.
Okay. Again at 12:04. You sent him another message. What did you say in that?
Rocky shot at me.
Rocky shoot at me,
Right,
right?
yeah, Rocky shot at me.
Okay. 12:04 still. Your next message?
One bullet, raised my hand.
Speak into the microphone.
One bullet raised my hand.
There was a typo. You meant to say "graze my hand."
Yeah, I did a lot of technical the other day. I was shaking. I was like shaking.
You were sending these text messages quickly, back to back to
Yeah,
back.
back to back.
Okay. Then you sent him another photograph, correct?
Yes.
Now we're at 12:12. So, about 8 minutes later.
Yeah, I went back and read it. My bad. I got you late, family. We got you, though. That was for y'all. Hit the motherfucking like button.
And then another photograph at 12:12, almost 12:13, correct?
Correct.
And immediately under that, you texted him at 12:13, this ills.
Let me see the top one. That must have been his.
Yeah, it was a photograph. It's not-
Okay, yeah, so I showed him Bill's conversation, trying to like lure me in.
You took a screenshot.
I took a screenshot of Bill's conversation, showed him to let him know it was authentic, that this is real.
Okay.
To let them know that it's authentic. Ooh, big words. Smart guy, huh? Hey, what's up, Destin B? I see you, family. Appreciate you joining. TGIF.
Now we're at 12:13, which would be what? 11 minutes after your first message. 12:15. 2 or 3 minutes later, what was the next message you sent to him?
They set me up.
And then 12:16. A few seconds after that message.
If I didn't grab it, I'd be dead.
Gotta speak up.
I'm tired.
Well, can you read it one time? Can you read that one? Because it was hard to hear you.
If I didn't grab ills, I'd be dead.
Again, at 12:16, you sent him another screenshot. I know it's hard to see, but was it all the missed calls?
Yeah, it's all missed calls.
All right, now we're going to jump ahead in time from 12:16 to 12:37. Sorry, it's hard to see. 12:37, you sent him another picture, correct?
Correct.
Then, again, 12:37, almost 12:38, you texted him. And finally, at 12:38, you sent him that text message that the defense showed you saying, "I'm getting itch," correct? Or "I'm get itch."
I meant to rap getting irritated or like irritated or something like that. It wasn't I get rich.
I understand
That
that.
didn't fit in the content if you look at the whole conversation.
So he was the one that first said the rich thing, huh? Did the defense attorney, did Tony say that earlier? I don't know. I might have missed Tony, but he was the one that translated it to rich.
That I was right there.
You saying, "I'm getting itch," correct? Or "I'm I get itch.
I meant to rap getting irritated or like get irritated or something like that. It wasn't I get rich.
He's getting itchy because that boy need to take a bath. Had them clothes on for 3 days.
I understand
that. It fit in the content if you look at the whole conversation that I was right there.
So what I'm asking is, that message was sent 34 minutes after the first message that you sent to John, correct?
Yes, if it says right there, yes.
And yeah, again, because you don't, as you sit here now, 3 years later, can you say that you specifically remember dates and very specific times? Okay. But if it says, if it's timestamped from your phone that that's when that happened, you don't take issue with that.
No, I'm going to take issue if it came from my phone.
So when you texted him, I'm getting itch or irritated, that's over a half an hour after you sent him the first message, and he hasn't responded to a single one of your messages, correct?
Who, John?
Yes.
I don't know if he responded. I think he responded.
Did you see a response in there?
Is this just my text messages?
This is your thread with him. Did you see a response from him?
Do you have a response from him?
I'll approach. You can go through it. You tell me if you see a response.
I kind of don't remember 3 years ago.
I get it.
You trying to hire an attorney, FFS? I see you.
You want to get through right now, just on the check the leading, what's his answer? They don't like it, they tell us the answer, and they go, it's just not right.
No speaking objection.
Sorry,
Speaking
right,
objection.
sorry. Lead.
There's no question pending.
I think the question pending was, did you see a response from John?
No.
You are asking leading questions, right?
I'm just trying to speed it along there, but I will refrain. My apologies.
While they reading that, shout out to Cha Diggy. Alright, I know he's gonna start talking. Shout out to Cha Diggy dropping a 10 bomb. That's for Relly's NSF fees. So y'all show her some love. Drop some blue hearts and some umbrellas, whatever you can. Say thank you. Show her some love. Appreciate you, Cha Diggy. Helping sponsor the stream. Y'all show her some love. And she the coldest moderator in town. Out there modding for Cat now too. I see you, family. Appreciate the love. Y'all show them some love. Show them some love. Cat and Cha Diggy. That's what I was saying. Don't try to mix up my words. Appreciate y'all, family. Let's get it.
We down here or something, I need this text message or where we up. If he was, it would be under here.
If he was, I mean, I can show you what it looks like on the other ones. But
Yeah.
there's a blue bubble.
Oh,
You
so
see
he
a
would
blue
be.
bubble?
No,
on
no,
the
I
other?
know.
Okay. Great. Was that the context you were talking about? When you were testifying earlier?
Say that again, please.
Sorry, I'll withdraw that question. It was meeting. The text message that you sent to Justin about wanting the defendant's money, was that sent before or after the shooting on November 6th, 21 at 10:17 p.m.?
It was after the shooting.
Oh. Yeah, Your Honor. I can stop there and we can go on to.
All right, we'll take the break now, folks. Please be outside the courtroom doors at 10:30.
Alright, and I think it's a little piece left over. When I was watching Cat stream, I think they came back in at the end. So we can get to the end of that real quick before we wrap it up. But appreciate y'all being here, family. Much love to everybody. Big shout out to our stream sponsors. We definitely appreciate y'all, family. Survivor Speaks, Just Lee, FFS, Jerome Street, Laugh Always. Oh, wait, we got Cha Diggy in there too. Slide in. Appreciate you, family. Shout out to Cha Diggy, Laugh Always, Jerome Street, FFS, Survivor Speaks, and Just Lee for sponsoring the stream. Appreciate y'all, family. You know it's tough out here on your boy right now. Just let me skip forward to this piece real quick.
On Monday, all right, the adjourners have left. Mr. Siegel, anything for the record? No. Mr. Kaplan, anything for now? Mr. Buzomas? No, you're ready to go in? 352? It's clean sweep. It's a clean sweep.
Donkey of the day for sure. That's big facts.
No, excellent. See you all on Monday. Thank you. All right.
That's it. Monday at 10:30 Pacific Standard Time. What's up, Purple Paradox? I see you, family. Appreciate you joining. Appreciate all y'all coming and tapping in. I ain't got too much more right now. You know, I'm doing some stuff, still working behind the scenes, trying to get it all together. Let me run through some of y'all chats though, because I definitely do appreciate y'all being here. I see, move this thing off. I'd rather look at one of RELLI faces, because he be making some funny faces. Look, there go one, look.
I mean, if we keep...
Yeah, but yeah, let me see. Shout out to the chat. Appreciate y'all being here. Cat Nye Williams coming through, holding it down. Appreciate the love. Lady Trucker, what up, what up? No One in the building. Appreciate you, family. FFS in the building. Appreciate the sponsorship. You know what I mean. Appreciate the love. ASAP Sarah Kaplan. Tat Clouds, good night, family. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Destined to Be, finally off work, and we got an early one tonight. I'm sorry, Destined to Be. Shoot, we'll have a little bit more later on, but you know, right now I'm getting some things together, getting some upgrades made, getting some changes in. You feel me? Cha Diggy. All right. I think that's pretty much them, everybody. Let me see. Destined to Be, FFS. Appreciate you, Mercy and Grace. Cat Nye Williams. Appreciate you coming by, showing some love, showing support. It's definitely appreciated. Laugh Always, Have Fun. Appreciate you, family. Joni 4 in the building. Appreciate the love, everybody. I don't want to get too much into it right now, because I'm going to make some clips and edits and talk about them. But yeah, this dude was wilding the whole day. Look, look at his face. Let me blow that up for y'all so y'all can have some dreams about him tonight. What's that dreams clip, Cha? We have to put your dreams clip up in there. Have you ever had a dream? How it go? Here we go. Boom. Y'all can keep that vision in your mind on your way out. Other than that, I appreciate y'all, family. No worries, I'll run this one back. Okay, Destined to Be, I appreciate that. Definitely. FFS, this jury might be behave above average. Average incomes, wait, hold on now, Cat. What did you say? FFS, this jury might have above average income, but I still can't believe RELLI rolled over with Taco Pina, pressed him about 4K. Right. He was suddenly willing to concede to being broke. That's a fact. FFS said he wanted a Kathy Sai I do. Hey, you know what, FFS? I do remember that. Now that you told me where it was from, and I was thinking about it, I do remember that happening. Now I know where that came from. I got you.
Hi guys, how is everybody?
Definitely appreciate all the love. Let me see. How you guys think Wale reached out to Rocky about the extortion? Shoot, he probably just called him. What's wrong with Buddy? Cat Buddy Trim. Joni Ford showing love to Cha Diggy. Late night baking with Mookie. Mookie, y'all go sub up. Hey, Mookie, you going live or what? You got the redirect set up? We can hook you up if you going live, but I'm about to end in about a couple minutes, so let me know if you get that set up, and then I'll come through and hang out with y'all for a minute. Joni and Mookie. Shout out to Kat coming by, showing love. Y'all show Kat some love. Appreciate her gracing us with her presence. Y'all subscribe to Queen Slime, Kat Knott Williams. Cat, he should have known Wale would reach out to him. Nobody likes him. Right. That's what he wanted him to do. He wanted him to be like, man, just give him a couple 100,000. Give him 1,000 or something and just shut him up. But that got reversed. Wazam FOG's fam. Due to the temporary membership pause, certain features are currently disabled. Please use the link to show your continued support. Thank you, family. Appreciate you. Shout out to FFS. Shout out to Cha Diggy. Appreciate the love. He suddenly willing to concede to being a little broke and a little afraid today. Facts. I'm a lot of broke. Hey, tell me about it, man. I'm right there with you. Luckily, y'all been helping your boy out, and I appreciate that. Shout out to everybody who been helping with the sponsorship. So it's definitely greatly appreciated. He should have been. I was waiting for him to break down and cry. For real. He gonna cry in the car. He for sure gonna cry in the car. He thought he was getting that money. Shout out to No One. Fire music on deck. Y'all go sub up to No One. We about to hear him shortly. The track with me and him on our way out. We got a track called Starting Now. Self-explained. All right. I think that's about all for tonight, family. Other than that, I appreciate y'all. Shout out to everybody. Laugh always. Cha Diggy, FFS, Destined to Be, still going on in the chat. I see y'all. Appreciate y'all. Y'all go sub up to No One. No One, drop your link in the chat. We gonna get up out of here. I'll let it run for a minute. Oh, he said he not home yet. Y'all go sub up to Late Night with Mookie. Late Night Baking with Mookie. He might be going live tonight. I'm going to let this run while we get some links in the chat, and then we up out of here, family. Much love. Appreciate y'all.
Do you, sir, or should I say in 2021, did you along with Ms. Parker make money in prostitution?
No. You fucked up. You know that, don't you?
What you mean?
You done fucked up. You know that, don't you, right?
No.
You see what I'm saying? I'm saying, you know that. You know you done fucked up, don't you?
I don't remember no. Well, I don't remember no. I don't know. All right.
So extended your entire career in the music business is now no longer.
Rapper's been under investigation by the LAPD for a shooting that happened here in Hollywood on November the 6th. The victim of that shooting told police that ASAP Rocky shot at him 3 to 4 times, believing that
Should I be one? From the ashes he arose. Never hated friend or foes. Just a subtle art and not giving a fuck. Chasing down my goals. I self-law am master. Supernatural disaster. Metaphysical reaction. I am the flesh. I am the God. No one got the lab on lockdown. Talking hot winters and cold summers. Black Force ones when we slide in the streets. We all stay home at a club jumping. What up, cousin? I see you, fam. Throwing slime coins when I watch the trial. LEOs be capping. Chatting action. Come and tap in the most interactive. I am the flesh. I am the God. I am the flesh. I am the God.
Lost liver leg gon' tap in. Gun flesh skin every rap in. If you like us, gon' get the lights up. You the son, you the shell, tell them pack in. From the left, right, front to the passenger side. It's right here, the premiere. How you know? Cause them boys broadcast to the live. Wanna talk about it, hit the link right here. Slide coins up, got 100 bands. Mars eyes, watch how the check. And the band made love to a bobblehead. 2 bands do a dance like check. I'ma keep going till I'm motherfucking tired. You what? I'm motherfucking tired. Slime real side, could we rain down game? Like, what you mean? Just watch the rise. Watch the rise.
I am the flesh. I am the God. I am the flesh. I am the God.
Flesh with God. I see one. I see one. I see one. I see one. I see one.
I am the flesh. I am the God. I am the flesh. I am the God.
Flesh with God. Appreciate you joining.